guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically, I'm recording this intro again because my last one didn't record. So today's video is going to be a EMP Performance vlog. So two of my friends are going to EMP Performance to get their muffler deletes. One's a 320D and the other's a Golfer. So yeah, we'll go straight to it. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Also guys, yes, I did finally get a haircut. Where are we?
Today we're at EMP, lads.
Yes, doing a
oh, that sounds alright.
Resonator delete.
Sounds alright for a diesel. So with this, get some
oh yeah, look at the exhaust. It's like mine on the Cupra.
Yeah, 4-inch. That sounds good.
Sounds sick. What have you done to that?
Just destroyed boring.
Oh, is it? That's straight pipe.
Yeah, this is open straight. That's not legal, that.
Yeah. But DPF gone as well. Yeah. Mad. Damn, look at all them exhaust pipes.
This is the same engine you find in Coopers. Look at that. Dusty engine. Oh, is it? It's only got two?
Yeah, it's only got two. The one in question
so
is
are we deleting that one?
No, we'll delete the mid one. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Let's let him get on with it. We'll go car hunting. Yeah. Got the EMP seats as well. Don't know if you can see it. No turning back. No turning back. That's the exhaust.
Oh, is that what it is? That little tiny thing?
Yeah. Getting welded on, mate.
I don't know what to expect.
That is done. See how it sounds. It is.
Nasty clean.
Res is deleted. Now, just time to hear it.
Moment of truth. It might not even sound different. Actually, it doesn't. I think it sounds different.
Alright, so we have car number 2. Are you doing a res delete as well? Res delete as well on the Golfer.
Got to put it in brace though.
Wow. That's a mad difference. Yeah. I should definitely get that. So that's been cut. Now the pipes will go on. Res is out. Doing some welding. All done. What are you saying then?
Clean, man. It is clean. Clean, isn't it?
Clean weld.
Look how dirty the pipes are. Oh my truth.
What are you saying, Vince?
Nervous.
Nervous? What are you saying, Cosmo?
It's gonna sound sick, man.
Yeah? Jace?
Yeah,
alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that. Still got more videos on the Cupra coming out soon. I need to upload my exhaust video, just need to sort a few things out and then I can upload the video on that. But other than that guys, yeah, if you're enjoying the videos, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll drop more videos soon hopefully. But yeah, that's the end of the video guys. Peace.